Mauricio coming with you guys live, and today's topic is the breakout downtrend structure on the H4 time frame. Okay, so one thing you want to take in consideration is that you want to know how to identify your structure itself. Okay, so we can actually see that the market is on a downtrend structure, is creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and so on. So now that, yes, we can actually see and know that it's creating lower lows and lower highs, but the key is to mark every lower low and lower high. You want to be able to actually identify and visualize your lower lows and your lower highs in the market. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm marking off my structure areas. Okay, once I mark off my structure areas, I then want to label them. Okay, so I'm gonna put lower low, which I'm gonna put LL as abbreviation, and then I'm also gonna put LH as a lower high as abbreviation. Okay, so I'm gonna label these as lower highs, clone that, bring it down to my next lower high, which is right over here. Then I want to put my lower low right here as well. I'm going to clone that and bring my next lower low to the next area of structure, okay, and so on. So I'm going to keep on repeating this process until I am finished with my structures. Okay, so I want to be labeling every single structure I have in the market. Okay, I want to take advantage and be able to notice where this structure is located at. Okay, so once we label all this, our lower lows, our lower highs, and so on, we want to see a break of previous structure. Okay, so the break of previous structure is a break of our previous lower high. Okay, our break of our previous lower high, which is our newest structure created. Okay, we can actually see that the market had came down to this area right here. Okay, and then came back up and it shot all the way up here. Okay, so what happened in the market right here? What happened is that it did a break of structure. This right here, the market had an impulse gone above our previous structure, which our previous structure was lower high. It broke that lower high and it created a new structure. The new structure it had created is now our higher high. So therefore, we are now not looking for sells, we are now looking for buys due to the fact that we had a break of structure in this area right here. And our main focus is how to identify that break of structure. Okay, the break of structure was based on this area right here, right when we saw a break of our previous lower high. Okay, so therefore that is how you identify a break of structure, a break of a downtrend structure, for it to continue as an uptrend structure on your H4 timeframes. Now we'll be going over this on the H1 timeframes as well, so therefore I'll see you guys on the next video.